In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make this delicious and crunchy chin chin. We call it Atchomo in Togo. So I'm going in now with 3 cups of self-raising flour. I'll add a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 egg, salted butter, a tablespoon. You can use the unsalted butter as well, that's fine. Just go in slowly with the sugar. First, I added 6 tablespoons and I noticed I wanted it a little bit sweeter, so I added 4 more tablespoons. So I used 10 tablespoons in total. I added about a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 200 milliliters of fresh milk, and I mixed everything well. After that, just cover it up with a kitchen towel and let it rest for 10 minutes. I'm bringing the dough out now. I'm going to cut it into 2 first and then half it again and work with one side. If you're new here, my name is Kaye and I share quick, easy and very yummy recipes on this channel. Now it's time to cut the dough. Just follow exactly what I'm doing. Very straightforward and easy. And after that, we're going to repeat the same thing with the rest of the dough. To my returning subscribers, thanks again for clicking on today's video. If you are enjoying the recipe, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and please do share as well with family and friends. But if you are new here and you don't want to miss out on these easy and delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you activate the bell so you can be notified the next time I upload a new video. After cutting the dough, sprinkle some flour on it to avoid them to cling together. I'm working on the last batches now and we're going to start frying. All you need to do, use any cooking oil of your choice. Heat the oil up on a medium-low heat, 8 to 10 minutes and fry. Once you obtain this golden color, try to stir everything up just to make sure the other side as well will be fried properly. And after 4 to 5 minutes, this is the chin chin. Just shake the oil up and put it on a kitchen towel to soak any excess oil. I'm going in with the second batches now. The Atchomo or chin chin is ready. You can make this to entertain your guests or for your family members. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.